We're diving into the world of immunohistochemistry with a focus on the SOX-10 test. This crucial test helps pathologists identify specific tumors and conditions by analyzing cellular markers. Let's break down everything you need to know about the SOX-10 test. Pre-test information. First, let's talk about what you need to prepare for the SOX-10 test. Before the test, make sure to provide a copy of the histopathology report. You'll also need to include the site of the biopsy and the patient's clinical history. This information helps ensure that the test results are accurate and relevant to the specific case. Specification of test. Now let's look at the specifics of the SOX-10 test. The SOX-10 test is a type of immunohistochemical staining that identifies the presence of the SOX-10 protein in cells. This protein is a key player in the differentiation, maturation, and maintenance of schwann cells and melanocytes. SOX-10 is typically expressed in neural crest-derived cells, which means it can be found in a range of tumors associated with these cells. Disease-associated. Let's explore the diseases associated with SOX-10 expression. SOX-10 is positive in several types of tumors, including nerve sheath tumors, granular cell tumors, and melanocytic tumors. It is particularly useful for distinguishing between spindle cell and desmoplastic melanoma and other conditions. Essentially, all peripheral nerve sheath tumors, whether benign or malignant, express SOX-10. This makes SOX-10 a valuable marker in diagnosing and differentiating these tumors. Specimen used. Moving on to specimen usage. The specimen used for the SOX-10 test is typically a biopsy sample of the affected tissue. This allows for precise analysis and accurate results. Components included. Next up, let's discuss what's included in the test. The test includes antibodies specific to the SOX-10 protein, which bind to the protein in the sample. This binding is then visualized using staining techniques, highlighting the presence of SOX-10. This process allows pathologists to see whether SOX-10 is present and in what quantities. Test report time. Finally, let's talk about the test report time. Typically, you can expect the results of the SOX-10 test to be available within 7 days. This time frame allows for thorough analysis and accurate reporting. So, to recap, the SOX-10 test is essential for identifying and distinguishing between various tumors by detecting the SOX-10 protein. It requires specific pretest information, uses biopsy specimens, and provides results within a week.